How does the factory in plants work?
Single leaf from a branch under the microscope. Examination will reveal God's marvelous creation in all its glory. The structure of the leaf can be tools we use in our lives. When we magnify the details of the leaf still further, we encounter an food factory with pipes, state of activity, chambers constructed for particular processes, and workers running non-stop. A pipeline that spreads over the whole plant, a net, allows raw material to reach units and allows the product emerging from the production units to reach the plant. Obtained by the plant, it also transfers sap leaves to in turn for the nourishment of the whole tree. All the channels not only carry vitally important fluids, but also serve as a skeleton on the leaf. Marvel, since this can be affected by load-bearing elements such as columns, beams, then built separately from the building's facility. These two needs in plants are met together. The plant leaf is therefore a marvel. Leaf, a few millimeters thick, were enlarged to the size of a factory so that we can inside it. Amazed at what. Let us take a small leaf as an example. We would see developed line into every part, facilities that produce and store chemical substances. We would also encounter energy plants that ceaselessly convert solar energy into sugar, solar panels that initiate this, and ventilation centers that we cross at every point. In addition, we have a powerful security and communication system and a giant chemical facility, the roles of many of which scientists. Our site system in it, and all materials and products used by it, the work of superior mind and knowledge. Plants have no central and no to control it. Therefore, it helps into others, despite which its interior believe in harmony and creation. We still do not fully understand cells inside communicate to different issues. The way that these that emerge as these structures are formed